Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most incredible stories from religious texts, the story of Prophet Yusuf, also known as Joseph. It's a tale that captivated millions for centuries, full of drama, mystery, and powerful lessons for all of us. So let's get started. Our story begins with a young boy named Yusuf. He was very special, loved dearly by his father, Prophet Yaqub. Yusuf had 11 brothers, and unfortunately, some of them were very jealous of the special bond between Yusuf and their father. One night, Yusuf had a vivid dream. He saw 7 stars, the sun, and the moon all bowing down to him. When he told his father, Yaqub knew it was a sign of Yusuf's great future, but he warned him not to tell his brother. But jealousy can lead to dark action. Yusuf's brother, fueled by envy, conspired against him. They tricked their father into letting them take Yusuf on an outing. Instead of playing, they threw him into a deep dark well, planning to leave him there. Imagine how terrifying that must have been for young Yusuf. After some time, a caravan of travelers passed by the well. They discovered Yusuf and pulled him out. Instead of helping him return home, they decide to sell him as a slave in Egypt. Can you believe it? From a beloved son to a slave in a foreign land. Yusuf was bought by a powerful man in Egypt, an important official named Potiphar. In Potiphar's house, Yusuf grew into a handsome and wise young man. God, Allah, has blessed him with wisdom and good character. Potiphar's wife unfortunately was attracted to Yusuf and tried to tempt him, but Yusuf, with his strong faith and good morals, refused her advances. He knew it was wrong. Out of spite, and to protect her own reputation, Potiphar's wife falsely accused Yusuf. Even though he was innocent, Yusuf was thrown into prison, another terrible setback. But even in prison, Yusuf remained patient and trusted in God's plan. He used his wisdom to interpret the dreams of his fellow prisoners, showing his unique gift. Years passed. While in prison, Yusuf interpreted the dream of the king's cupbearer. Predicting he would be released, he asked the cupbearer to mention him to the king, but the cupbearer forgot. It seemed Yusuf was destined to stay in prison forever, but Allah had a bigger plan. Finally, the king of Egypt had a very disturbing dream. 7 fat cows being eaten by 7 thin cows, and 7 green ears of corn being replaced by 7 withered ones. No one could interpret it. Then the cupbearer suddenly remembered Yusuf's amazing ability to interpret dreams. Yusuf was brought before the king. He explained that the dream foretold 7 years of abundant harvest, followed by 7 years of severe famine. He advised the king to store up the food, the good years to prepare for the lean ones. The king was so impressed by Yusuf's wisdom and intelligence that he not only released him but appointed him to a very high position. Basically, he put Yusuf in charge of entire country's food supply. So Yusuf, the boy who was thrown into a well and sold as a slave, became one of the most powerful men in Egypt. He managed the country's resources brilliantly, saving everyone from starvation during the famine. And guess who came seeking food during the famine? His very own brothers. His brother didn't recognize him. They had no idea this powerful Egyptian official was the brother they had wronged years ago. Yusuf, however, recognized them immediately. He dealt with them wisely, testing their character and slowly revealing his identity. It was an incredible emotional moment when he finally told them, "I am Yusuf." His brothers were filled with great regret and fear, but Yusuf, with his incredible heart, forgave them. He understood that everything that happened was part of Allah's plan. He brought his entire family, including his beloved father, to Egypt, and they were reunited after so many years of separation and sorrow. What amazing lessons can we learn from Prophet Yusuf's story? Number 1. Patience, Sabr. Yusuf faced so many hardships, betrayal, slavery, false accusation, and prison, but he remained patient and trusted in God's plan. 2. Forgiveness. Despite everything his brothers did, Yusuf forgave them. Forgiveness is a powerful act that brings peace. 3. Trust in God's plan. Even when things look darkest, Allah has a plan. Yusuf's dream came true in the most unexpected way. 4. Good character. Yusuf's honesty, integrity, and wisdom shone through every challenge. The story of Prophet Yusuf is a beautiful reminder that no matter what challenges we face, with patience, perseverance, and faith, we can overcome them, and that ultimately good character and forgiveness will always lead to a beautiful ending. If you enjoyed this story, please give this video a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to our channel for more inspiring stories. See you next time. May Allah bless us all. Thank you so much.